Trying to juggle a demanding career and a chronic health condition, it can feel like you're working two full-time jobs, right? You're trying to crush it at work, but behind the scenes, you're navigating this whole other world of symptoms, treatments, and let's be honest, a ton of conflicting advice. So let's talk about a way to cut through all that noise and find a wellness approach that's actually truly designed for you. So do you ever feel like you're just completely on your own with all this? It's such a common feeling, whether you're managing something like diabetes or MS, or dealing with that persistent fatigue that just won't quit, or even helping a family member through their own health journey. It can feel incredibly isolating. It's like you're suddenly expected to be an expert on your own body, but you're left to figure it all out by yourself. But just imagine for a second, what if things could be different? Imagine knowing, really knowing, what your body needs and feeling totally confident about how to support it. We're not just talking about managing symptoms here. We're talking about gaining real, solid confidence in your own ability to take care of your health. So, how do you get to that place of confidence? Well, a lot of the time, it really starts with finding the right guide. And in this case, that guide is the founder of Chronic Health Wisdom, who goes by, I think, just the most wonderfully approachable title, Your Neighbor, the Nurse. And listen, this isn't just a friendly title. It is backed by some serious expertise. Cheri Sacks is a registered nurse and a certified diabetes care and education specialist. So what does that mean for you? It means you're getting guidance that blends deep medical knowledge with the empathetic, supportive approach of a coach who is genuinely in your corner. To help bring some order to all that chaos, Chronic Health Wisdom uses a simple four-step framework called PATH. Think of it like a roadmap designed to help you get back in the driver's seat and regain control of your own well-being. Let's walk through it. All right, so your path begins with personalized care. And this is so important because a one-size-fits-all approach just doesn't work for chronic conditions. This is all about creating a plan that might blend the best of Western medicine with alternative therapies. Next step is awareness. This is where you kind of become a detective for your own body, identifying your triggers and really understanding how your lifestyle impacts how you feel. Then comes transformation. This isn't just about learning new habits, it's about building the resilience to make them stick for the long run. And finally, all of this leads to empowerment. This is the ultimate goal, right? To have the knowledge and the confidence to be the true expert on your own health. This quote really just captures the whole philosophy perfectly. But what if understanding your body wasn't just a feeling? What if it was something you could actually influence on a biological level? Well, it turns out there's a system inside all of us that's designed to do exactly that. We're talking about a vital but pretty often overlooked system in our bodies, the endocannabinoid system, or ECS for short. This system is basically the biological key to finding your body's natural state of balance. So what on earth is it? The easiest way to think of the ECS is like your body's internal thermostat. It's always working behind the scenes to keep everything in equilibrium, regulating things like your sleep, appetite, pain, and mood. It tells other systems when to ramp things up and when to cool them down. So as you can imagine, when your ECS is out of balance, the whole system can go haywire, and that's often when we start to feel unwell. Okay, so how do you get this crucial system back in balance? The answer is surprisingly simple, and it's definitely not about a magic pill. It's all about giving your body the inputs it needs to regulate itself. We're talking about things like good nutrition, movement, and even just having fun. Things like learning, connecting with people, and spending time outdoors can all help reduce the stress that throws the ECS out of whack. It's a holistic approach to retuning your body's master regulator. So you see, when you combine a clear framework like PATH with a deeper understanding of your body's need for balance, that's when a really powerful transformation can happen. This is the ultimate goal, moving yourself from a state of chronic confusion to one of genuine empowerment. And think about what this journey really looks like. It's a huge shift. You're going from all that confusion, that isolation, and those stress-related symptoms, and you're moving to a place of clarity, empowerment, and a real, lasting sense of well-being. You're changing your entire relationship with your own health for the better. So often, we feel like we need to pile more onto our already overflowing plate. More appointments, more supplements, more rules. This approach is the complete opposite. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what works for your unique body. It's about cutting through the noise to find the few powerful changes that are actually right for you. So it all comes down to these three pillars coming together. You've got education, so you understand the why behind your health. You have compassion, so you feel supported every step of the way. And you get a personalized treatment plan that actually gets results. Ultimately, it all comes down to this one question. Your body is constantly communicating with you. The real journey begins when you have the tools and support to finally listen and understand what it's been trying to tell you all along. So, are you ready to hear it?